Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will discuss on how to write a program that will ask the user to give a number, and then our program will check and determine whether the given number is an odd or even numbers using pointers in C++ programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. You may click also the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. So let's begin. So basically guys, I'm using dev C++ as my C compiler in this tutorial. Sharp includes tdio.h. It is a standard input-output library header file in C program. So every C program has a library file which allows us to use basic commands like scanf, printf, using for loop statement, arrays, including pointers. Int main, it is the starting point and ending point when we run our C program. We have your begin, and then we have several variables here. Int val, numval underscore val 0, result 0, and then we have another variable. The asterisk designates a pointer declaration. In this example, we have a variable p underscore num. P underscore num equals ampersand num underscore val. So we have the redeclare here. And then we have here the title, add an even number using pointers in C. We have new line here, new line. Give a number that will be stored in our variable that is already a pointer. Now p underscore num result pointer underscore num modulus 2. Check whether there is a remainder. If it is equals to 0, if result equals to 0, the given number is an even number if it is true. Else if it is false, it becomes odd. New line here, and a program which informs the user that the program has been ended. We have new line, return 0, right curly bracket, close. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Let us go to execute, compile and run. Add an even number using pointers in C. Give a number, let's say 9. The given number 9 is odd number. Another example, let's say we have 12. The given number 12 is even number. End of program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video. I hope that you have learned something new on adding even number using pointers in C programming language. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today in my two websites. Kindly see the video description below with the links in my two websites for free. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.